Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential tutorial: how to remove a credit card from your Oculus Quest 2 in 2025. Whether you're updating your payment info, switching cards, or just cleaning up your account for security, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's super straightforward, but let's dive right in to make sure you don't miss a beat. First things first, grab your phone or computer where you have the Oculus app installed. Why the app? Because managing payments is easiest from there. Open up the Oculus app and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and sign in now. Once you're in, navigate to the menu. Look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear wheel in the bottom right or top right corner. Tap on it to open your account settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Payment Methods or Billing section. This is where all your saved cards are listed. Select the credit card you want to remove. You'll see an option like Edit or Remove next to it. Go ahead and tap that. A confirmation prompt will pop up, asking if you're sure. Just double check that it's the right card, then confirm the removal. Boom! Your credit card is now detached from your Oculus account. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like the option not showing up, ensure your app is updated to the latest version and that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Oculus might have made some tweaks by 2025, but this method should work seamlessly. And there you have it. That's all it takes to remove a credit card from your Oculus Quest 2. It's a simple way to keep your info secure and your account tidy. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.